Hi, my name is Sharon. I'm the founder of You and Me Right Brain Learning Program. Imagine if your child can easily improve their learning speed twice or even 3x by just doing 5 simple brain exercises. My son, 2 years old at the time, was just like any other ordinary child, and he learns through his body movement and also his senses. He also learned through visual and holistic thinking. At the time, I knew that our local education system will not bring out his full potential. As a parent, I want the best for my son so that his early years will not be wasted. Because I understand that those early years are his prime time to learn, and he can unleash his full potential with the right learning method. At the time, I knew about the right brain learning methods from overseas, and I invested my time to research and acquire the skills and techniques so that I can apply them on my own son. Since then, my son has shown tremendous result and improvement. This has inspired me to impart my skills and knowledge to other parents so that their child could benefit from the program too. That is how I started You and Me Right Brain Learning Program. Because I want to help other children who need this type of education too. Students who have attended our Right Brain Program's reports. Better memory skills, strong and long-term memory. Better attention skills, able to focus longer during lesson. Better reading skills, ability to pronounce more words clearly. Better mathematics skills, have powerful problem-solving ability. Better ability to process information, able to solve any problems faster. Better ability to solve problems, able to think out of the box and have creative thinking. Better fast retention, ability to transfer from short-term to the long-term memory. More self-confident, have the confidence to face and handle difficult situations. Want to give your child a head start in their primary education? A right brain education is definitely the right choice for you.
Hi, I'm Verna here. I'm the owner and the group principal of You and Me Right Brain Learning Centers. I have more than 10 years experience in this industry, and we are the pioneers and the market leaders since 2006 in Malaysia. So along this 10-year experience, our Right Brain program is proved and show that my students have a flying colors in their result. And because of this reason, nowadays my center to have a lot of age 1 to 6 years old students enroll and attending my course. So today, our mission is want to create more awareness about the importance of Right Brain program and able to reach as many children as possible. So due to the overwhelming response about the Right Brain program nowadays, so we decided to digitize it into video course so that we could able to reach and benefit the children, and they're able to have more experience more opportunity to experience our program. So finally, I hope that your child able to experience it, alright, and benefit our Right Brain program. Thank you.